Did you know how beneficial pineapples can be for your health? It's not just a tropical delight that tickles your taste buds, but it's also a fascinating fruit that carries a myriad of health benefits. Pineapples are a treasure trove of vital nutrients. They are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect our bodies from harmful free radicals. They also contain manganese, a mineral that's essential for developing strong bones and connective tissue. But that's not all. These juicy fruits are a great source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full, helping to maintain a healthy weight. What sets pineapple apart, though, is bromelain. This unique compound has been linked to numerous health benefits, including improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and even cancer prevention. So the next time you're in the fruit aisle, remember this. Pineapple is not just a delicious fruit, but a powerhouse of nutrients. Ever wondered why your doctor recommends eating fruits when you're feeling under the weather? Well, let's turn our focus to the humble pineapple. It's not just a pretty face in the fruit world. Pineapples are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens our immune system. This tropical fruit helps our bodies ward off or hasten recovery from diseases. So the next time you're shopping for groceries, don't forget to add some pineapples to your cart. Remember, a pineapple a day could keep the doctor away. Having trouble with digestion? Pineapple could be your solution. This tropical fruit is more than just a sweet treat, it's a powerhouse of digestive health. Pineapple contains an enzyme known as bromelain, which is a proteolytic enzyme. It aids digestion by breaking down proteins in your stomach, making them easier to digest. Whether you're finishing a hearty meal or simply need a digestion boost, a slice of pineapple can help. So say goodbye to your digestive problems with a slice of pineapple. Want radiant skin? Try pineapple. This tropical fruit is a treasure trove of antioxidants that wage a fierce battle against skin damage. It's like having your very own army, dedicated to keeping your skin healthy and youthful. These antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, work tirelessly to slow down the aging process, reducing wrinkles and fine lines. They also enhance skin texture, promoting a smooth and glowing complexion. So, for that enviable radiance, make pineapple a regular part of your diet. For a glowing complexion, incorporate pineapple into your diet. There you have it, the amazing health benefits of pineapple. Now let's recap. Pineapple is not just a tropical delight, but a powerhouse of health benefits. From boosting your immunity, aiding in digestion to promoting radiant skin, pineapple truly is a wellness superstar. So next time you enjoy this juicy fruit, remember you're not just satisfying your sweet tooth, but also nurturing your health. Don't forget to subscribe to The Altruist for more health tips and insights. Stay healthy and keep enjoying your pineapples.